Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the code on your Kwikset SmartCode 909 step by step. So before starting the programming on the Kwikset SmartCode 909, you need to make sure that the door stays open and the deadbolt is also unlocked. After doing so, what you need to do next is to simply remove the battery cover so that you could access the program button. So when you open it, you are going to see this type of program button. So you just have to simply press this particular button only once. Now after pressing it, the keypad should beep or it is also going to flash green. So when it does, it simply means that you have successfully entered into the programming mode. Now when you have enabled the programming mode, you just have to simply start entering the new user code. So here you can use the buttons that are available over here, and then you need to basically set the 4 to 8 digit user code. Now when you are done setting your code, in order to save it, you need to simply press this particular lock button on top of it, and if you have successfully changed the user code, the keypad should flash green light. And the smart code 909 can store multiple user codes depending on the setup, so you can set up as many codes as you want. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.